Hi everyone, this is Andy with Bloomberg.com, and in this video I'm going to show you everything you need to know to host a meeting on Google Meet. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like. Alright, let's start. There are two ways to set up a meeting. You can start the meeting right away, or you can schedule a meeting. We will cover both ways in this video, and at the end we will go over all the settings. To start a meeting right away, go to meet.google.com. Now click on New Meeting and choose Start an Instant Meeting. And that's it, you are in the meeting. If this is the first time you're using Google Meet, make sure to allow the browser to access your microphone and camera. Otherwise, the microphone and camera will not work. To invite people to the meeting, you can add them using the Add Others button. Once you add people, they will receive an email with the meeting information. You can also copy the meeting link and send it via any chat app. If someone tries to join the meeting with the link, you will get a message asking to let the person in the meeting. Click on Admit. To turn your camera on or off, use this button. You can also turn off your microphone or mute it using this button. If you have any issues with your audio or video, or would like to change your audio or video sources, click on the More Options button and then Settings. We will go over the rest of the settings at the end of the video. Now we're going to review how to schedule a meeting. Open your Google Calendar and click on the Create button to create a new event. Add a title and change the date if needed. Add other guests or participants. To link a Google Meet meeting to this event, click on Add Google Meet Video Conferencing. Add a description if necessary. And finally, click on the Save button. When you're asked to send invitation emails to other guests, click on Send. If you're inviting guests that are outside your organization, you will get this confirmation message. Click on Invite All Guests. The meeting has been scheduled and the guests received the invitation. When it's time to join the meeting, click on the calendar event to see the details. Then click on Join with Google Meet. In this window, you will be able to check your settings before joining the meeting. You can turn your camera on or off with this button. And the same for your microphone. If you have any issues with your audio or video, or would like to change your audio or video sources, click on More Options and then Settings. After making sure your camera and microphone are working, click on Join Now. When a guest that is outside your organization is ready to join the meeting, this message will pop up. Click on Admit. Now you and your guests are on the meeting. Let's review the settings. On the center of the screen, you will see the other participants. You can pin any participant by clicking on the pin icon. To mute a participant, hover over the tile and click on Mute. You can also remove a participant from the meeting using this icon. As the host, you can remove participants, but they cannot remove you from the meeting. This one is your tile. You can move it by dragging and dropping it where you want it. Click on Minimize to hide it completely. Use these two buttons to turn on or off your camera and microphone. To change your background, click on More Options and then on Change Background. In this side panel, pick the one you like the most. To share your screen, click on Present Now and then select what you would like to present. In this case, we want to share a window. Now select the window you want to share and click on the Share button. Your screen sharing session has started. The other participant will be able to see your screen until you stop sharing it. To stop sharing your screen, click on You're Presenting and then click on Stop Presenting. On the bottom right, click on Show Everyone to see all the meeting participants. Here you can mute them and remove them from the meeting. If someone raises a hand, you will see it here. You can also add more participants by using the Add People button. This is the Chat tab, where you can message everyone in the meeting. Finally, we have Activities. Here you can create break rooms, polls, and Q&A sessions. To leave the meeting, click on the Leave Call button.